20 useful English words you should learn. Learning new vocabulary is one of the fastest ways to improve your English. The following 20 words are practical, meaningful, and very common in everyday conversations, books, and media. Each word includes an explanation and an example sentence so you can see how it works naturally. Resilient, able to recover quickly from difficulties. Example, she is resilient enough to face challenges without giving up. Ambitious, having a strong desire to succeed. Example, his ambitious plan is to start his own company before turning 30. Meticulous, showing great attention to detail. Example, the artist was meticulous about every brushstroke on the canvas. Eloquent, fluent, and persuasive in speaking or writing. Example, the speaker gave an eloquent presentation that inspired the audience. Versatile, able to adapt to many situations or have many skills. Example, a smartphone is versatile. It can be used for work, study, and entertainment. Empathetic, understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Example, nurses need to be empathetic toward their patients. Benevolent, kind, and generous, showing goodwill. Example, the benevolent teacher always supported her students. Diligent, hardworking, and careful in effort. Example, he is diligent in his studies and never skips homework. Serene, calm, peaceful, and Example, the serene lake reflected the blue sky beautifully. Innovative, creative, and introducing new ideas. Example, the company grew fast because of its innovative technology. Pragmatic, dealing with problems in a practical way. Example, she took a pragmatic approach to solving the financial issue. Optimistic, hopeful, and confident about the future. Example, even after failure, he remained optimistic about success. Pessimistic, expecting the worst to happen. Example, she felt pessimistic about passing the exam after missing classes. Charismatic, having a strong charm that attracts people. Example, the charismatic leader motivated everyone to work harder. Adaptable, able to adjust to new conditions is. Example, travelers need to be adaptable to different cultures. Authentic, real, genuine, not fake. Example, this restaurant serves authentic Italian pizza. Curious, eager to learn or know more. Example, children are naturally curious about how things work. Resourceful, able to find quick and clever solutions. Example, she was resourceful enough to fix the computer without help. Grateful, feeling thankful for something. Example, he was grateful for the help his friends gave him. Confident, sure of yourself and your abilities. Example, she was confident during the job interview and got the position. Why these words matter. These 20 words cover emotions, personality, traits, problem solving, and everyday attitudes. By learning them, you can describe people, situations, and feelings more clearly. For example, instead of simply saying he is good at many things, you can say he is versatile. That one word sounds smarter, more precise, and natural in English. How to practice right sentences using each word daily. Use them in conversations with friends or study partners. Notice them in books, shows, or news articles, the more you use them, the faster they will become part of your active vocabulary.